Everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is estimated manufacturing is overhead $500,000, estimated direct labors was $250,000, actual manufacturing is overhead $72,000, actual direct labor force $300,000. The correct answer of the question is 500,000 is equal divided by 250,000 is equal to 2.0% per direct to labor's dollar. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask. There an ask section on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel and in ask question. Bye bye.